received a few packages, so I thought I might do like an unboxing video. I got a package from a brand called Rumes. I think it's like a cleansing cream or balm. Oh yeah, it's a cleansing balm. It's called Rumes 101 Skin Incenser, and I'm gonna use them when I've used up all my face cleansers that I'm using right now, and try this one and review them on Instagram. So here's one. Also receiving some clothes from a brand called Clea. This is like I think I ordered a denim jacket and skirt set, faux leather piping jacket, cute little bag. It's a shoulder bag. I guess you can like use it as a pouch as well, but they have a strap. And also this little coin purse thingy that comes with the belt. I got a scarf. I wanted like a pink mix color scarf, so this is like perfect. Oh, color is so pretty. Oh yeah, they also sent me this quilting jacket. Okay. As you can see, I have nothing in my room yet. I only have a desk over here, and then I have my bed, and that's totally it. I need to buy a sofa, I need to buy like a little table, I need to buy a TV. That's about it for today. Hi. Okay, so today is a Saturday, and I'm staying in because I have so many things to get done. I was also shooting for like a collaboration at home because as you can see, I have this space to shoot. So I also have a few things that came in the mail today, so I thought I would show you what I got. This first box, it's not a PR product. I actually bought it in Rakuten. So I got cooking supplies from this brand called Karoti. It's like this ivory color, which I like, and I wanted to have it in the same brand. Whoa. Okay, wait a minute. I actually thought that this would come in 3 sizes, but there's actually only one in here. But yeah, this is a knife. Comes with this container, mixer. Oh my god. A peeler. Here's a peeler. Oh. Ta-da! And it's really cheap too. It was like several hundred yen. I went to a new cafe called Sporty Coffee. It's a chilly fall weekend. So I recently had an opportunity to do a collaboration with a tea brand. I think it's a really new tea brand called Gion. So these came in the mail. Gion. Wow. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh. So pretty. So this is like a tea syrup. So you pour this into a glass and then you probably have to mix it with maybe like hot water, or green tea is good too, or just plain water. And you mix it. This is a flavor called Cheer. Yeah, they've got like fresh mint in it and kind of like a tropical vibe to it with herbs and spices. So, wow. Okay, I can't wait to try. Yeah, this brand is super cute. Gion. It has green tea, spearmint, cinnamon, peach. Yeah, it tastes like cinnamon mostly. So you pour like a third to the glass. Goes well with cider, but today I'm going to mix it with green tea. It tastes a little sweet with a hint of cinnamon and peach and mint. This is my drink of the day. I was planning to go to this date with this person that I met on an app tonight, but I don't think I want to go, so I think I'm gonna cancel. Yeah. Because I've been getting sort of red flags from this person, and I don't want to waste time, you know? Yeah, go check this out. Like, the package is like really, really pretty. This is pretty great. Okay, bye. It's a really nice day for a walk. Hi, I'm here at Ebisu Garden Place and we're going to have lunch. I'm kind of going to be acting as like the translator for this lunch meeting, so okay. Hi, so today I'm going to one office of the company that I'm working for, and it's during lunchtime, so we're gonna have lunch and then we're gonna work at their office throughout the whole afternoon. Hi. Another item came in the mail that I would show you. It's this soap dispenser. It's from a brand called Tower and it's designed in Japan. Oh, You can push this with a sponge. It comes on. Just push it with one hand. I have this not so aesthetically pleasing dish soap, and so I'm gonna pour this in here. I'm gonna pour it. Okay, this like that, right? Ah! My soap dispenser is so stylish. See here? Little things like these make me happy.
脳内変化。
確かに。
めんどくさい。